I'm Robyn McPherson and I'm a Project Integration Manager. The two kind of main things I work on is looking after the CapEx plan for Leven, which is essentially our improvement pot of money. And I'm also working really closely on the Project Armada at Leven, which is the new bottling line we're installing. So I'm overseeing the engineering integration of that line. So I think when I first started, it was probably the variety of different departments on site. I think when you drive past, you don't really quite understand the scale of what goes on, but it's very, very kind of multifunctional, which is great. I've actually had quite a big range of roles since I joined. I've been here for 11 years. I originally started as an electrical apprentice and then worked in the site engineering department for a number of years on site, from sort of breakdown cover across the weekend. I was involved in the setup of a engineering compliance department within the team, worked on electrical compliance in there, and then I took over managing that team for a couple of years as well. Went on maternity leave for a year and then came back into this position. In terms of skills gained, I would say that probably there was a lot of kind of working on improvement opportunities, creating strategies, a lot of organisation and people management as well, which has definitely helped me within this role. So I would personally say definitely go ahead. The experience I've had here has been absolutely brilliant. I think from being an apprentice, to moving into leadership roles, I've been so well supported throughout that. The company's also put me through my degree, so I've got my engineering degree since starting here as well, which has been absolutely brilliant. There's just so many opportunities, everybody's happy to help, there's a lot of collaboration, and there's just so many opportunities.